Welcome to another episode of Catterday Crafternoon, Crafting with Kittens. The kittens featured in today's crafting video are all adoptable. Today we'll be making a DIY kitty bookmark. My bookmark is inspired by Maneki Neko Lucky Cat. For today's craft, you will need a ruler or a bookmark template, multiple colors of construction paper and or cardstock, glue, markers, crayons or colored pencils, and scissors. Remember to ask an adult to help you when cutting your paper. Now let's go see if the kittens are up from their cat nap and ready to craft. Looks like the kittens are feeling crafty already. Let's get started. First, we are going to measure and cut the body of our kitty cat bookmark. Measure 5 centimeters by 18 centimeters and cut. Next, we are going to measure and cut the tummy of our kitty cat bookmark. Choose a different color paper or cardstock and measure 4 centimeters by 13.5 centimeters. This kitty is feeling extra crafty. Thanks for your help. Make sure that the tummy fits inside of the body of the bookmark. Now, cut out a 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter square for the bottom paws of your kitty cat bookmark. Shape the square into paws and make sure it fits the bottom of your bookmark. Cut out a 5 centimeter by 7 centimeter rectangle for the paws of your kitty cat bookmark. Make sure to watch the video closely to see how we cut out the paws. Make sure your arms fit the width of your kitty cat bookmark. These are the pieces we have so far. Let's keep going. Cut a red strip of paper the same width as the body of your kitty cat bookmark. Next, we are going to make the kitty cat nose. I'm going to make mine a heart shape. Choose a color for your cat eyes and cut out 2 circles. These are the pieces you should have so far. Now we're ready to assemble our kitty cat bookmark. Make sure you have your glue stick nearby. First, grab your smaller rectangle for the kitty cat tummy and glue it onto the bigger rectangle, the kitty cat body. Make sure you glue it closer to the bottom than the top. Now we are going to glue on the bottom paws of the kitty cat bookmark. Grab the kitty cat arms next and glue them on at the top of the tummy piece. For this part, make sure you keep the long arms unglued. Only do a strip of glue at the top of the kitty cat arm piece. Grab your red strip of paper for the kitty cat collar and glue it at the top of the kitty cat arm piece. Now watch closely to see how I create the kitty cat ears. Now let's glue on the nose and the eyes. Now, grab a marker, pen, crayon, or color pencil to draw the kitty cat mouth, whiskers, and center of the eyes. I'm using a pen for this next step. To detail the cat paws, draw 3 lines on each one. Let's add some detail to the cat ears. Cut out 2 small triangles and glue them into the cat ears. Let's cut out a small circle to add detail to our kitty cat collar. I'm going to glue my circle in the center. choose a crayon or color pencil to draw the paw pad and toe beans on the underside of the cat paws. Now, you can fold up the left or right paw of your kitty cat bookmark to make it a lucky cat. Let's see what the kittens think. Looks like the kitties approve of our Lucky Cat bookmark. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Crafting with Kittens. See you next time!